Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can enable or disable secret messages in Messenger. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Messenger app, and right now I have simply typed in a person's chat. I'm gonna scroll down to the bottom and I will find this option. Now at the privacy and support, I have option of verify end-to-end encryption. So first of all, if I simply verify the end-to-end encryption, then the end-to-end encryption is activated. You can see the messages and calls are secured with end-to-end conversation. It will just be secured, nobody else can access it. Now other thing is I can tap on disappearing messages. I'm going to tap on this 24 hours or off. So when I start this 24 hours, then I will start messaging. It will be turned on for 24 hours. Once the messages are seen, they will disappear. That is how you can simply open up or access a secret message. The disappearing message will be disappeared after 24 hours. Now if you want to simply turn it off, I'm going to tap on off and we're going to go back and we are good to go. That is how you will be able to do so. So hope this video helped. If you got more questions, let us know in the comments below, and that is basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.